Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Meatza Supremo. Alright, first thing we gotta do is make the Parmesan vinaigrette for it. So, you want to start off with 1/3 of a cup of Parmesan cheese that I basically pulverized in my food processor. And then you want to add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And then finally you want to add a 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic and a 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then you just want to blend in the blender until everything is blended together and well incorporated. And then just set aside. Place in the fridge, and it should be good. Okay, you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees, and let's start assembling our sandwich. On one side of the bread, you want to add 3 pieces of salami. And then you want to top them off with 3 slices of pepperoni. Then on the other side, or on the other half of the bread, you want to add 2 slices to each of them of Black Forest ham. And then you want to add some provolone cheese. As you can see here, I just kind of break and tearing a slice in half. And then after you've done that, you just want to pop this into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it, basically. You'll know when it's done. Okie dokie. As you can see here, our sandwiches are done. And now we're going to be adding the other fixings. You want to start off with some iceberg lettuce. And then you want to add some tomato slices. And then you want to add some onion slices, if you like. Again, these toppings are optional. You can top this sandwich however you like, as long as you got the meat down. And then you just want to drizzle some of that Parmesan vinaigrette we made earlier over these sandwiches. Trust me, it's delicious. Then take the top bun and place it on the bottom one. And we're just about done, but I have a little trick. Okay, one of the reasons why your sandwich from a sandwich shop tastes better is, remember, they always get wrapped in tin foil. So what I like to do, and I recommend you try this, is basically wrap it and then leave it to sit for about a minute. Don't worry, it'll still be plenty warm when you go to cut it open. Alright, let's see how we did. And there we go. So, that's the Meatza Supremo. Done.